baba attention TV so ye nua ba Abena Korkor a ono ne maame ne papa ewo no edin a omo de frɛ no anase edin a ye de to ni na watwe ne yi ni pie edin a ye de ma no eye Abena Korkor na so ene social media for ye asesa din no ama Abena Korkor a enne Abena Korkor edin a ofrɛ na obegye so pa ye Abena udi ameka Abena udi ameka Abena ko ade eye ne honey pot no ye dan na wo de dig wura mu a eye dan a odin ba beto abonten Abena Korkor etwe camera be see ne so ebobɔ nkrofo a sɛbe o mayi ne nantam srade eye footballers no mo do so pa na enso eye Asamoah Gyan ena ne din be pie mu asofo edin be mu amamu panifo MPs minister chese wona abosofo ne o mu kita companies akase ni nyina wa wokɔ aye Abena honey pot ne mu de eye dan a odin ebeba abonten na obia din ba obia mbegye so na so Asamoah Gyan de wɔte ne din wo mu no so ebetwe camera si ne so eno so eyi na no se Abena Korkor wo de wo ho hyehye me wo ye bia sanka me Asamoah Gyan me na omeda na enso manye wani na egu ase wa bodam ne ade na emo nti ensem wenya akɔso na em se ya Abena Korkor so ya ebeta social media so ka se ensem wa akeka nyina sesi a wasakra oba wo fa be ma na se be ma na nya wo so wo hwe be ma na be ma na yeye sesi anu host ni nyina wo wura mu diga hodo ni nyina Abena Korkor waso ahwe wo se mfa so bia ni so enti wo ba wo ho na se wo kunu a be srot wani na tra wo kunu na se one boyfriend a ti wani na tra sa boy no na woni ni bobra na obra no so enkoso emam yentie Abena Korkor emra sesi a
Emma yasem enye din kra eno ani se obedoyin. The Bible said love your wife. Women are not supposed to love men. We're just supposed to respect them. We're just supposed to respect them. But men are supposed to love us, nurture us, protect us. Do you understand? There are men that have come into my life that were a waste of my space. Some for Asamoah Gyan, we've never had sex before, but he was a waste of my space. Tvgh, and look at the way he spoke about me. So people, like really, but it's all in the past. Right now, I'm a full-time businesswoman. Advertisements, sale of sex toys, sale of vapes. I do gold deals. I've forgotten about all the people in my past. Now I'm moving on. It's a different me, a different steez. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Abena Korkor TV, my Instagram, all of that. We're about to make money. We're going to show Ghanaians something they've never seen before. Mwah. And women out there, remember you are a goddess. You are a goddess. Your body is a temple. Men are supposed to worship you. Men are supposed to treat you with respect. Men are not supposed to insult you. They're not supposed to exploit you. Me, the first time I was abused, I was 5 years old. For a very long time, I was saying that's when I had sex. Until I went into therapy and I was told that no, it's women out there, young girls, there is more respect and pride in hard work. We're training the edaho, but so wo oba ye bo boriase eden na waye. Me call One Love, St. Paul, Ibri Girls, Legon, UCC, biomedical science degree, and then entrepreneurship and small enterprise development, masters. I'm not a slay queen. I am not a slay queen. I had a couple of setbacks. I lost a lot of money. I've been on like a shopping spree. I just go to shops and I pick up things, there are places that I was just like on a spree. But they say I'm not doing happy feel. no name calling, none of that. See, I'm a beautiful woman, a woman of substance. No matter what has happened in the past, it's in the past. All the old things have passed away. There shall be showers of blessings. This is a promise from God. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessings. See, you will see the true Abena Korkor. I will introduce you to my family. As a me, I met her. Next year, me go school acquire clinical psychology so that I can run my NGO and run it effectively. Yes, I will have an OnlyFans account, but it will be very educative. I'm going to reserve the nudity for my man. That was like me going through mania or something. It got to a point I had given up.
Asamoah Gyan, an international footballer, you won't learn about bipolar disorder, and you will ride on that ignorance to insult someone who lives with one. Mental health is a very serious condition, and I pray world leaders, footballers, politicians will educate themselves about it. We both know. I don't know if your management, they don't advise you or a whole international footballer will be our FIFA. If you want to really leave a legacy, read about mental health and put some resources there. You are proud because Ghanaians, there is no accountability for leaders. Ubididi matem. Semema bottom. Educate yourself as a Gyan.
And I say so pa no afakosia snap ni sa niema no. No abetena no abodua. Why am I even worrying myself? Because some person you be call sa wo Ghana ha you be call sa.
Me da say we je brethren we pese we go US, Canada, Europe, New Zealand, Mexico, baby a pese we ko pa ye affordable ahotoso we ko na hodwo so afre oba tampa travel and express consultancy for na uni omundi ensa so makra.